Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. What's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with today's Trade Ideas video. It is Tuesday, the 13th of April, 2021. Let's get right into it. Looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. So the boys are pulling back a little bit this morning pre-market. The ETF is down just north of a point with another 20 minutes before 8 a.m. not bell, but 8 a.m. where majority of the heavy hitters step in, do what they got to do. Obviously, market's been pushing higher, higher highs and higher lows, printing all-time highs pretty much on a weekly basis. So, we're going to be looking to the downside today's session. Who knows? Yesterday we thought it was going to happen. Last week, well, listen. At the end of the day, you see where paper's flowing, right? So keep that in mind. There is some interesting vaccine headlines going on this session pre-market, so we may have a little bit of a pause day to the downside. So keep that in mind when you're looking at your trade ideas for today's session. Let's get right into it. We got 8 going in. We're gonna trim this thing down close. We get to about that 9:15 or so right before the bell. Probably looking at about half of that, but right now we got 8. So let's look at the ones we were looking. And our ideas for if this and that scenarios, and let's talk about the game plan behind each and every one of them. All right, let's get into it.